Hi everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you're all doing great. So in this video I'm going to share chicken burger recipe and I already have 1 cup of yogurt. So now I'm adding chicken tikka masala with black pepper and salt and we will mix it well. And after that I am going to use half teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. And by the way guys, in this channel you will find easy and quick recipes, so keep watching and please share my channel with your friends and family. So now I am going to fry this chicken. And give it some smoke to get an extra flavor. And I'm going to add some oil on the charcoal and we will leave it for 1 minute. So now I am using mayonnaise for burger, and after that we will add chicken. By the way guys, you can add any vegetable if you want to add, like cucumber and lettuces. So for now I'm only using tomatoes and onions, and yeah, that's it. So after that we will add ketchup to get an extra taste. So burger is ready. Hopefully guys you like this video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my Instagram. Take care. Allah Hafiz.